As an accounting software expert, I often encounter business owners, especially those running smaller enterprises or just starting out, asking similar questions about the tools they use. One common query that pops up is FreshBooks an ERP system? It's a great question, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no, but rather a nuanced explanation that can help you understand both FreshBooks and the broader landscape of business software. Let's break down what an ERP system truly is, what FreshBooks offers, and where it fits in the grand scheme of managing your business finances. Demystifying ERP. What exactly is an enterprise resource planning system? To understand if FreshBooks is an ERP, we first need to define what an ERP system is. The acronym ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Think of it as a central nervous system for your entire business. An ERP system is a comprehensive software suite that integrates and manages all the core business processes across an organization into a single, unified system. Imagine a large company with many different departments: finance, human resources, manufacturing, supply chain, sales, marketing, customer service, and so on. Traditionally, each of these departments might have used its own separate software and databases, leading to data silos where information isn't easily shared or consistent across the company. This can create inefficiencies, errors, and a lack of a clear, real-time picture of the business. An ERP system aims to solve this by centralizing data. All data from various departments is stored in a single, shared database. This ensures consistency and accuracy across the entire organization. Integrating processes. It connects different business functions, automating workflows and enabling a seamless flow of information from one department to another. For example, an order placed by a customer in sales can automatically trigger an update in inventory, a production order in manufacturing, and an invoice in accounting. Providing a holistic view. Because all data is integrated, managers and decision-makers get a real-time, comprehensive view of the company's performance, helping them make informed strategic decisions. Enhancing efficiency. By automating routine tasks and streamlining processes, ERP systems significantly improve operational efficiency and reduce manual errors. Common modules within a typical ERP system often include financial management, general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, financial reporting, human resources, HR payroll, employee records, recruitment, benefits, supply chain management, SCM inventory, procurement, order management, logistics, manufacturing, production planning, scheduling, quality control, customer relationship management, CRM sales, marketing, customer service, project management, planning, scheduling, resource allocation, tracking project costs. Leading ERP systems are often used by medium to large-sized businesses and complex organizations due to their extensive capabilities and often higher implementation costs. Examples include SAP, Oracle NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and Sage Intacct. Where FreshBooks stands, a specialist in accounting and invoicing. Now, let's turn our attention to FreshBooks. FreshBooks is widely recognized as a cloud-based accounting software, primarily designed for freelancers, self-employed professionals, and small businesses. Its core strength lies in streamlining invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and basic financial reporting. Here's a closer look at the key features FreshBooks offers. Invoicing. This is FreshBooks' bread and butter. It allows users to create professional, customizable invoices quickly, send them to clients, and track their payment status. You can automate recurring invoices and set up late payment reminders. Expense tracking. FreshBooks simplifies expense management by allowing you to snap photos of receipts, categorize expenses, and link them to bank transactions. This helps with accurate record keeping and tax preparation. Time tracking. For service-based businesses, FreshBooks' time tracking feature is invaluable. You can easily log hours spent on projects and automatically convert track time into invoices. Payments. FreshBooks integrates with various online payment gateways, making it easy for clients to pay invoices directly through the platform. This helps improve cash flow. Basic financial reporting. While not as extensive as enterprise-level reporting, FreshBooks provides essential financial reports like profit and loss statements, expense reports, and sales tax summaries, giving small business owners a grasp of their financial health. Project management. Light FreshBooks offers some project management capabilities, allowing you to invite team members, share notes, and manage project profitability. Bank reconciliation. It can connect to your bank accounts to help you reconcile transactions, ensuring your records match your bank statements. Mobile accessibility. FreshBooks offers robust mobile apps, allowing users to manage their finances on the go.